Hi everyone, I'm Taryn Ambrosoni and we are here on the official launch day of Luminar 4. And so to commemorate the occasion, I decided to do a quick tutorial on one of the main features, which is the sky replacement feature, which is totally awesome and well worth buying Luminar 4 just for this alone, honestly. And you'll see why I say that in a moment here. Anyhow, I'm recording this during the day and my birds are out and playing, so you will hear them in the background. I apologize for the distraction. So I've chosen this image for two reasons. Number one, the sky is very uninteresting. But secondly, and more importantly, I chose it because of how complex it is. In order to replace the sky in any other program, it would be incredibly time consuming. And I want to show you just how quickly and easily you can do this in Luminar 4. So for previous users of Luminar, you'll notice that the layout is a little bit different, but trust me, it's very intuitive and you'll catch on to it real quick. Over on the right, you'll see 4 panels: Essentials for your basics, Creative for all your fun tools, you've got a Portraits panel, and you've got a Pro panel for all of your advanced edits. I'm going to go into Essentials here and AI Enhance, and I'm going to adjust the AI accent slider because I don't like these trees being in silhouette this way. I want them to have a bit more detail. And AI Structure, we'll bump that up a little bit as well. And now we'll go straight into our Creative tab and AI Sky Replacement. Click on the Sky selection. Choose a sky from the drop-down menu. Let's try Starry Night 1. Wait a second, and bam! There you have it. So quick and so easy. And when we zoom in, you can see what an amazing job it did replacing the sky in between all of these branches and needles on these trees. So remarkable. Have to admit, I'm impressed. And as you can see under this panel, there are a number of settings, including advanced settings. So if you have issues with the sky not being perfectly replaced in between the gaps, you can adjust your close gap slider. That should fix it for you. I tend to like images more on the warmer side, so my sky temperature, adjust the slider a bit, warm it up a bit. Sky exposure, I've bumped that up a tiny bit here. And I'm going to do something really wild here and put a sun in here. Actually, it's going to be a moon, but we'll use the sunrise filter. For those of you with previous versions of Luminar, you'll notice a difference in the sunrays filter. So you click on Place Sun Center, and you'll see this little white circle which represents your sun, or in this case moon, and you can drag it around to wherever you'd like to in your image. I think we'll put it right about there. Now we'll adjust our amount right about like that. Overall look, darken that a little bit. Sunrise length, penetration, there we go. So our moon's looking a little bit brighter. And under advanced settings, the number of sun rays, I tend to prefer fewer amount. It gives it a less dramatic sun radius. Because this is a moon, we're going to make that a little bit smaller. Sun glow radius, we'll bring that down a tad. Sun glow amount, bring that down a tad as well. Sun warmth, well, it's the moon, so let's warm it up a bit, as well as the sun rays. Then we can click on randomize and choose another look here if we want. Let's see, what's something I'd be happy with here? Ooh, there, I kind of like that. OK. Click on Place on Center to get rid of it, and there we have it. We have a moon in our night scene now. So now that we've replaced our sky and added a moon, I just want to do a couple more quick edits to finish this off. And one of my favorites is Mystical, which used to be called Radiance in previous versions. And this just gives it a wonderful dreamy quality. It just softens everything up. Brighten up our shadows here. And another one that gives a similar effect is over in the Portraits panel, the Orton effect. And this also will add a bit of a dreamy quality to it. Softness, brightness, brighten that up a bit. Reduce the contrast. And there you have it. Good enough. I just wanted to show you how easily and quickly you can replace the sky in Luminar 4. Here's our before and after. And really, what a dramatic difference. So I hope you've enjoyed this little demonstration. Check out the links below, and happy editing.